So hello everyone, in my today's video we'll be discussing how to decode a case study because there a lot of case study competitions have been coming up in BBAs and even MBAs and even school level nowadays. So there's a lot of anxiety like will I be able to do it, what is expected of us. So today we'll be discussing a very basic case study and in the part 2 I'll be discussing the solution to it. So let's get started. So KapdePehno.com is a textiles leader specializing in denim jeans and jackets. It caters to diverse demographics with innovative eco-friendly fabrics and tailored designs. They leverage strong business foundation, online and offline channels, and the brand has built a loyal customer base across India and its neighboring countries. So this is the preview, like the absolute first paragraph, the origin of where it started. So now after having established a solid foundation in the textile market, KapdePehno.com is now exploring new opportunities for growth and diversification. While textiles remain the core of the business, the company sees significant potential in expanding into the confectionery industry, that is chocolates. So now they have a vision and they wish to enter the chocolate industry, which is a very absolute contrast and very different from what they have been previously doing. So it's an entry strategy making case study, like they have to devise an entry level strategy. Let's see what all information they have given us going further. So now the decision to enter this industry was driven by several factors like risk mitigation, leveraging established brand recognition, and rising demand for premium confectionery. So these are the three pillar reasons they have given from their own research in their case, in the hypothetical story, and why they want to enter this particular market. So this is the existing portfolio in the denim and apparels thing. They have denim apparels going on, they have eco-friendly ranges, and they also have accessories range where they have t-shirts and hoodies. So we just need to skim it and not exactly like rote learn it, just skim it and understand what's going on. The vision for chocolate products. So KapdePehno.com envisions offering a diverse range of chocolate products, each catering to specific consumer preferences. They look forward to expanding into a sector where their expertise does not lie, obviously, because they're an apparel industry, so their expertise is not in confectionery. And they have a very specific vision for chocolate. Like they do not want mass chocolate or something. They are looking more for like a diverse range, so maybe something exotic or very premiumly placed. So now they have the following options. So they have given us the options as well. So they have merger with an established firm. Second option is acquisition of an established firm. Third is establishment from scratch, which is going to be very hard. Fourth, strategic alliance. This sounds smart. Fifth, joint venture. Even this is doable. Sixth, piggybacking. I don't think like the risk will be mitigated much here, maybe increase even. Seventh, e-commerce platforms. Sell via own website or popular online platforms. But why will anyone buy chocolates from an apparel? Like nobody goes searching on Myntra and Nykaa for chocolates. Let's see what we can do with this. So these are the questions that the answer or our strategies expects us to answer. First, is entering the confectionery industry viable? Which micro markets and segments should they target? Very good. What should the confectionery product portfolio include? What advertising strategy should be used? Yeah. How can existing expertise be leveraged? Yeah. So these are our questions, core questions that we have to answer in the strategy we'll make in part 2. Oh wow, we have more questions. How to build a brand from scratch? Financial strategy, USP of the brand, can cross promotion boost sales? How to differentiate through packaging? So we can see that they have given us a very comprehensive sort of case study and they have asked us a lot of questions. So we will make a big, proper, very all-encompassing strategy of it. Let's see if they have taught us something about the resources. Yeah, so they have given us a list of resources we can like refer to. So they have Google Scholar, social media handles of companies for reference, even industry reports, market research firms, government and trade publications, supply chain data. So yeah, basically we can refer to the internet, but it need not be fake data. So it has to be actual research. So tune in for part 2 where we'll solve this case study and understand how to solve a basic case study and make an entry level strategy. Thank you, and please subscribe to my page for more such deep dives.